Hello, my name is James Purefoy, and these are the two videos I will be critiquing.
I'm using this as part of a lesson on a Minecraft screencast that I teach for my media literacy class. And so students build a house with a partner, and then they create a screencast tour. And so it kind of goes through the process of how we do this. In Canvas, this is how that assignment looks. First as a screencast test, and I've got a video for Mac, and this is the video for Windows, and so this is how you're going to be able to do this. So you're going to want to open up Minecraft Education on your PC, and you're going to have to log in. Remember that for our school, we don't just put our password, we have to put @live because it's a little bit of a different password. Remember that you have set your password to be your Google account, and you can just click no, sign into this app only. If you restart your computer at the end of class, it should be.
One of the things about this video is he's moving so fast. If you're not familiar with what he's talking about, then it can be a little confusing, but that's one of the things. He's moving so fast. He needs to slow it down just a tad bit.
Reset so that it'll erase all of your logins. So you're going to connect to a world, and you're going to have built your house. For right now, I'm just going to go ahead and open up a blank world to show as a demonstration because I just want to show how I've got Minecraft running. So here I am in Minecraft, and let's pretend like I have built a house here, and my house is going to have all my requirements, and this is not going to be a great house. Let's say, oh look, this is Dr. Fryer's great house. Okay, it doesn't have all my stuff, but we're going to pretend my house is done. It's wonderful. I'm ready to screencast. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. First off, get set so that you're ready to record, and look at your requirements of what you need to include in your screencast. When you are recording your screencast, I always encourage, just as I modeled here, that you are going to introduce this. So you're going to say your name, you're going to say the date, you're going to explain what you're going to do, and then in 2 minutes or less, you're going to take us on a tour of your house. All right, so got all that set. I'm ready to go on the tour. The button that I want to click on the screen is the print screen button, and it is the one that looks like this. On our keyboards, it is to the right of the F12 button, and you don't actually have to press the Windows button as well. You can simply press print screen as we have it configured. That's what I'm going to show you here. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to press print screen. Now, the first button that you have.
All right, the narrator spoke clearly and described the thought process, explaining why they clicked and not just what to click. The conversational style made the screencast more engaging and informative.
Have selected is to take a screenshot, a snip, but we're going to do the second one, which is the camera to record. And you have to select the part of the screen that you want to have recorded. So I'm going to draw a box from the corner around the entire thing. Notice that right up here, I have it muted. It does not have my microphone turned on. So I'm going to need to come down and uncheck the mute button so that this microphone does not have a line through it. Also, make sure that you have the correct microphone selected. In the case of these computers, as we're configured now, it's called the Realtek Audio. You're going to also make sure your headset is plugged into the right plugs. You have a red plug and a green plug, and the green one is headphones and the red one is the microphone. Okay, so I've got all that set. I'm now ready to click start, and it's going to give me a little countdown so I can resume my game. And now I'm ready to give you a tour. Hey, everybody, welcome. Today's the 7th of August, 2024. This is Dr. Fryer, and this is my tour of my Minecraft house, okay? And I will give you my full tour of my house. Wow, isn't that an amazing house, okay? My Minecraft tour is done. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna click on stop.
Last thing with this video, in the Windows 11 video, the narrator had no visual feedback for failed attempts, misclicks, or pause recording. It made the process feel too perfect and less authentic. I prefer to show small, manageable mistakes to make my screencast more relatable and realistic.
I'm going to show you a tool, a free tool that anyone can access online that you can use to create your own screen recordings or videos similar to the ones that I make for my YouTube channel. So let's get started. The name of the website and the name of the tool is Screencast-O-Matic. And you can look up here at the top of the screen. You can see that the URL, the address for it, is kind of tricky, screencast-o-matic.com. But if you ever forget that, all you really have to do is just go up here to the URL and type in.
Videos use zoom ins when clicking buttons on the screen, which drew attention to what to look at before demonstrating a click. The clarity is something I'd like to replicate one day.